Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the revamped 2026 Citroën 2CV, a futuristic remake of a legendary classic that defined French motoring for decades. The original 2CV was introduced back in 1948 as a people's car, simple, affordable, and charmingly quirky. It became a cultural icon across Europe, loved for its minimalist design and go-anywhere spirit. But now, Citroën has reimagined that same philosophy for the modern electric era. The 2026 2CV carries the soul of the original, but wrapped in sleek innovation. Its rounded retro body lines return, yet every panel has been sculpted with aerodynamic precision. A signature dual chevron grille, chrome accents, and matrix LED headlights create a face that's nostalgic and futuristic at the same time. Step inside, and you'll instantly feel the modern retro blend. The cabin is minimalist, yet premium recycled materials. Pastel tone leather upholstery, a panoramic glass roof, and a digital dashboard that replaces the old analog meters. The car feels airy, cozy, and full of personality, a perfect city companion. Powering this reborn legend is a fully electric drivetrain, producing around 160 horsepower. With instant torque, it offers a range of up to 350 kilometers, about 217 miles, and set a single charge, depending on the version. There's even a plug-in hybrid option for those who prefer flexibility. Acceleration: 0-60 mph in roughly 7.8 seconds, fast enough for city and highway. Cruising while keeping that light, agile 2CV spirit alive. Citroën engineers have tuned the suspension to mimic the comfort of the original, soft, bouncy, and incredibly fun. You can glide over speed bumps like they're not even there. Safety and tech have leapt forward too. Lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and voice-activated infotainment come standard. Everything feels effortless, exactly what the 2CV was meant to be. There are also a few cool additions. The Charleston 2026 edition features the famous two-tone paint job with retro badges. The Beach Cruiser edition adds an open-top roof rack, and picnic-style interior for weekend adventures. Citroën even offers a green edition with a vegan interior and solar panel roof for eco-conscious buyers. So, how much will this reborn French icon cost? Starting price: around $27,000 AR. In the US, roughly $29,000 USD. In Pakistan, about PKR 8.3 million import estimate. That's impressively affordable for a stylish electric hatchback. With so much heritage and innovation, the 2026 Citroën 2CV isn't just a car. It's a statement of nostalgia, meeting the future, a reminder that driving can be simple, joyful, and sustainable at the same time. Whether you're a fan of the original or discovering it for the first time, this little French masterpiece will make you fall in love with the road all over again.